Richard. Richard. You like your catnip toy? You like your catnip? Do you like your catnip? Yes. Oh, it's so good. It's the best thing ever. Do you like your catnip, Richard? Wow. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? No, I can't have it. I can't have the catnip toy. Wow. Ringo. Ringo. I'm gonna get it. Ah, he's got my arm. He's a mean, evil kitty. Mean. Look at his tail. Look at his tail. Look at that tail go. Ringo. Ringo. What you doing, Richie? Yeah. He likes his catnip toy.